Hello. Yeah, hi. Good evening. I have. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, hi. Good evening. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Today we will continue our lesson. We are in elephant lesson. So this is our lesson. So we created this one by using brushes. So before starting this one, so please ask me if you have any doubts. Then I will continue. Otherwise, size here one of the major part how to keep in our size. So we created boxes. One box, take the box, append, just we give the estimation. This is inches. You can go to geometry, size is there. Here you need to give the size. Depth value I need 1 inch. Height I want 1 feet. Width mostly 1 feet. So this is a real time, but we are not move our model to real time. We need to scale this one in globally. We need to keep our design inside of this. This is the size. So you need to develop your model in the box only. So once your model is done, after exporting this one in ArtCam and ArtCam or Rhino, whatever you are using, once you give the one value globally in one direction, then the remaining directions will be match your requirement. Okay, this is one we discussed. This is a new part for you. This topic will be reviewed, revived actually in next class also. So no worry if you don't know, no worry. Just it will be continue on another classes. Every project, this is a major role. Measured our model is very important. This topic will come on the next class also. No worry if you not understand this time. Yes, please ask me if you have any doubts.
Sir,
Yes.
before time I will show one relief file, STL file, your
Hmm.
Telegram site.
Hmm.
You know, open this one. He making only 12 depth,
Hmm.
but looking more depth coming. Looking,
Hmm.
he use wheel process. Which process?
Yeah, that we will implement. What is the height? That model?
Only 12
No, no. You are saying depth. Height. What is the height?
total height.
Hmm.
More, sir. I 1 minute, sir. I will tell you.
No problem. I will open. Did you share that?
Yes, sir. Telegram set. Your Telegram set.
I did not receive.
Yes, this is 1 minute. Balaji, sir. Babaji, your Telegram site. Yes, see.
Babaji. I got it.
Sir, your telegram chat I given hi.
Yeah.
Yes, 16 August. I will send 16 August.
Okay. Babaji without R. You can create your design in your size only. No worry about the size. So this is a 1 feet and 1 inch depth. So you can reduce 12 mm also. You can create this design in 12 mm or 10 mm also, but the quality will be loose. So this is one of the size. You share me STL file or what? STL file. Okay. What is the size?
32 inches or 18 inches.
Okay. No, actually he is give 1 inch work.
But Artcam set I open only
No,
12
no.
mm
Did you
deep
compress in
complete.
Artcam? Did you compress in Artcam? Okay.
Yes, Artcam set
I will
I
open in Art.
given 12 mm. I will share a relief file, sir.
No, no. I will check it. My Okay. This is fine. This looks great. In fact. So you need to understand how he developed this model. Okay. Every part is individual parts. Later he merged together. You can develop. I am give the guarantee to you. You can create this design. No worry. Okay. This quality, this size.
Sir, hand is more deep given he given more deep.
Babaji. Okay. When I give the 1 inch depth, the model is height is 2 feet only. 2 feet. When I give the 1.5, the height is 1 feet only. Have you seen this one? I give the half
So
inch, half inch. So this manipulation is not right. It's not correct. See, this manipulation you give the value, then you will lose your quality. So you need to do the global scale only. So you need to consider this way. So when I give the my value, that height and width, any one direction should match our requirement. So now I give the 15 inches, 15 mm, almost 15 mm. It's a, when I give the 15 mm value, the height is 1 feet only, not more than that. How did you do that? 13 feet, 13 inches. Did you compress
1 minute.
in a specific direction?
I will relief open
One minute.
12
If you
mm.
give this manner, okay, I will do that one thing. So I give the 30.
You open inches or mm, sir?
Inches only.
8 कम से तो maximum time mm.
So you want inches? So I give the
Oh,
50
me.
mm only now.
No.
Okay, let's see. Import.
Import
mode.
it.
No. Now I give 11 inches, 11 mm,
12 mm.
12 mm. Yes, sorry, 12 mm I have given. So the height is
Only
250. 250.
250.
Yes, if you manipulate this way, see, I give the 700 now. So if I
Yes.
manipulate this way, this is not correct way. So after adding to 700, I'm just to turn off this value and give the 12 mm or 15 mm. Now this is not correct way. Your design will be compressed and quality will be
Damage.
damaged.
Damage. Damage.
So definitely this process is not right. So even you whatever you want, you need to manipulate in a ZBrush only. So
Okay.
then you will get good quality. So this is a this size whatever you got, that is a 1 feet model only for your size.
Yes.
So you can do this way in your file also. That's the same example we are doing in elephant.
Sir, this hand with your face is down. So I know cutting this design.
So what happened?
Hand. This
Hand this one.
hand to face, this one
Hmm.
up.
Hmm.
Face to this one upside.
Yes.
So cutting not good quality coming.
Why? Okay, there are individual pieces only.
Yes.
You can manage it if you see. Finally, did you see that? Finally, he decimated the model. This is called decimate. Okay, I will teach you that topic in elephant lesson. This is a good way. Now your design come back.
Yes. I also comments also given his side, but he no perfect correction.
Okay, anyhow, he done good job. Looks good. Yeah, it's make flat, but you need to check with the plane. You need to take plane. First part which is coming, you need to check. So in the first I meet this cloth only, so you need to move it back. What is my next? Nose is coming up. You we need to adjust it back. See, in a CNC, whatever it is in top, that is calculating up to that. Suppose my piece, one piece is beyond my expectations, the here, by mistake I done, the machine take from here. So that's one of the point. So you always you need to check this way. Okay, I will tell you this way in our designs only. Now see, everything is under the control only. Now if I move, see, every part is now similar. You need to check it this way. This is a good way to check your design. How machine has calculate. If I am put down more, then relevant objects also near to that. Anyhow, this design is good. Just go through this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Please send this file. Send me, sir.
I will share. Lips is depth is more required. I think there is no symmetry. This lip is going to very heavy. When you design your head, you need to flip it and see the in reverse axis. Then only you can find it. Any anatomy issues are there. If any issues are there, you can find it easily. Okay, now it is fine. This area we need to do some more better.
Sir, any free time you this hair he making which process?
Hey,
Yes.
yeah, this kind of things you also can do, no worry. Once you done course, then you will have vision how to do this. This is nothing.
Okay, sir.
This is nothing. Just a simple manner. So
Okay, sir.
next lesson we will create hair for horse. Okay.
Okay.
Once you get that, you can create this design. This is nothing but one rope. Just you also can do that. No worry. I will share you
Okay,
that
sir.
file. Just if you take this one, if it is good.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you continue
Thank you,
your
sir.
design only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now we will continue our lesson. Okay, it's getting late. First, to focus on this particular size. No worry about that. See, we will meet our that details, that size, whatever he shared, that size you can meet easily. Now I am going to take my relief. Take few relief. Activate live boolean. Try to give the details for body, and while you are developing your design, please check size also. This is size, our size. We are maintaining this size. So while you are developing your design, please follow that. And final output, I will show you how we meet our expectation size. This is size, you can name it. This is a boolean one, name it. Boolean, okay, namings are there. So size boolean, except size, everything above the boolean, or boolean should be down to all. This except this size. Size is a separate, it's not under the boolean. Okay, now I am going to add this details, some crispy details. Now I need to do one by one. First I need to go ears, take damn standard brush. Okay, this turn off this one. So already I have activated intensity value, keep the 1 or 2% only. See, I added rim of the ear and middle of part. Just I created roots, making cavity, adding some bevel and making smooth wherever it is required. Now it is fine. I need to work on the eyeball, keep it properly. Okay, so this design this design has 5 lakhs poly count. Due to that, my smooth brush is not handle. So then I need to go brushes here, smooth stronger. You need to take smooth stronger. This is under the brushes only. So whenever you take, it will be loaded here. Now it is better. Use move brush to control that. Try to arrange this shape. We know that move infinity also, so whenever it is required we can use that. See now, so some area it looks flatter. Now it looks very flatter. You need to add bevel there. So use inflate option. Inflate option help us to add bevel, but not this much. Just give the less 5%, 5 to 6. Make isolate, make solo. Now see, just have a look on this, how we develop this. So this depth is your choice, but up to here you can manage. For example, here boolean is there, right? So just activate it, select it. Now you can slide it. See, this depth is in your hand. You can reduce it if you want. You can reduce it. So I'm making less depth now. So very less. Before it is like this, like that. We have some depth, so you can reduce it. See, so that is your hand. You can increase it, you can decrease it. So according to requirement, you can create 10 mm if you want. That is depend on the size, height. If you are doing 5 feet, then you are creating 5 mm, 10 mm. It's very hard to create. If you are creating 1 feet, 10 mm, you can create it easily. So that's a depend on the height and width also. We are creating this 1 feet height, 1 inch depth. It's much enough. I mean more depth actually. So you can create half inch also, the same design. In a ending product, I will show you in 2 measurements without losing the quality. Don't worry about the size things now. We try to focus how to create relief. First you get to know that. Okay. Now head is done. I need to focus eyeball. Take this eyeball, duplicate it, this is for boolean concept. I create one additional eyeball for the boolean. So where is this? The here. So this is iris. Subtract it. Now see, this is a boolean. Now you can take duplicate, another duplicate, because I want to keep inside another ball. Did you see that? Before I have opened one Babaji model. In Babaji model also you can find this presentation. This is a common line. This is a common point for sculptures. Okay. Now it's created. Use damp standard brush. See, now I give the rim of the eye and I make some foldings here. For eyebrows I add some clay and making smooth. Now see how I created. So for this iris you better to reduce it. Now it is fine. How it is head. So we have some details on the body. That details will be added later. We are not focusing that finishing details. We are creating in the segments like a schedule. Basic shape. Once the basic shape is done, we are developing some model, and we need to bring that mid level. Once it mid level is done, we need to finalize it, the final product. So we need to create in the stages. One first stage, second stage, third stage. This is a second stage only. This model is basic form. By the basic form we are trying to bring this some advanced level, mid level, not advanced, mid level. Okay. Just focus on this leg. Select this leg, add subdivision. See this details and all. Before that, try to arrange this leg in a proper manner. So if you see this axis, this is not bevel, it is a flat. So try to add some clay, use inflate option. Now see, I am going to add more bevel. now it is fine. Use move brush for bring this leg straight. This is a good option, good way, see, to making flat. Drag it, drag the geometry. And make update this geometry. So when I update, it's going to losing our quality due to lack of that. Try to add good resolution. In the place of 128, I'm going to add 400. Now I'm going to update this geometry. Now see, try to make smooth, inflate option. When I am working my model, I am out of control, so my model is not in the position. Maybe I need to check frequently. So now it is matched to the reference. So now it is a good finishing. Now it's a good condition. Now I can add my final details, not now, further, but it is ready for adding details. So in the same manner, I need to develop here also. See, if you compare this and this, the difference is there. This is a looks some in finishing product. Now it is a looks fine. Try to add subdivision here and make smooth. Try to add some bevel. In the place of adding subdivision 3, just add 2. Just while I developing my leg, I am matching the model also. See now, adding subdivision, update the geometry up to 700, 500 is okay. Above 300 I added, 600, totally 600 I added. Here I am following one method, just to drag the geometry. See how it is like now, looks fine. The same way you need to match a reference, and later we will merge together. That is the pending now we need to do. You need to match this leg with the reference, make solo. I reduce some belly here because I want to show some difference between this stomach and this back leg. So after matching, you need to show this difference. Now see, this is fine. Okay, just I am going to match this foreground legs and body. So go to subtool, this is the body, this is the back leg, select the back leg, match down. Where is the front leg? This is the front leg, you need to bring it, match down. Now these three are one group. Okay, you need to update it. Now it is fine. Make smooth here. No, don't smudge here. Okay, you need to leave it because we want some difference. This depth is required when it is carving, when your product is casting. These details are must required to get good presentation. Okay, now clay builder brush. Take the clay builder brush and add some clay wherever it is required. I updated this geometry. See, now body is ready. This is way to create not only human body, not only animal body. You can create any design, like you can create this way animals, birds, human character. This is the relief, the first relief. Now we need to focus this other legs and need to work on the time. Yes, now this model will be going to finalize, and tomorrow we will add some details and add ornaments. I think by tomorrow we will finalize it. Now we need to work. See the quality, how it is. See the difference between this and this. Both are looks similar, but the quality is going to change. Now I am going to add quality here. Add subdivision. Make smooth. Use this smooth brush. Update the geometry. While you are updating, try to enhance the quality as well. Before we have given 700 approximately. This time we have to give 700. We need to maintain same count only for all legs. Now see, select this leg and add subdivision, make smooth. Drag the geometry, see here, this way. Why we are dragging? Because we want good finishing here. Before, how it is, this edge is not prompt, so landing it should be flat. This area it's not flat. This is when you create this way, this geometry come to here. Now this is turned to flat, like this is black base, right? Now see, this is a flat. Now you can trim it, you can trim this area. So while you are updating, please update this your geometry as well. Then smooth will be continue for updated geometry. Now these 4 legs are completed. Try to match a reference as well. Sometimes we come out or you see, now it is not matching. This is happened frequently. You should not lose. So while you are move, you use infinity depth. Mismatched this belly. Now see, we are in right way, right path. So select this, check it, is it right way or not. It's overlapping. Don't use for adjustment, try to use this move only. You need to push it, this pull. Now it is fine. Now it is fine. Try to work this tile. So it looks flat. So how do you convert this flat geometry to the bevel? So I will show you again. You might miss that one. This this is important topic. So you need to trim this one by using trim dynamic brush. Here also trim it. Okay, now it is fine, right? Smooth it. Add subdivision, because this is a smooth stronger. It is every low geometry will be shape out easily. So try to add some bevel, some smooth. Now smooth. Now it is far better. Now it is fine. So take move, drag it, try to match. Now see, if you want to flat more, just take trim dynamic brush and flat, make flat. Add subdivision. So when I'm going to update my Dynamesh, please enhance this quality. Drag on the canvas. Now see how it is. For this movement, just hold this one, hide this one, for this movement only. Try to make this elephant without cap. Sometimes cap is required, sometimes cap is not required. So you need to understand the basic form of the head. So this is the way. Now see how it is. We clean the geometry. Use move brush. Add subdivision. I am going to finalize this. Try to match. This reference is a major key part in our design. See now. Dam standard brush I am using most of the time inversely for the engrave the geometry. Sometimes I am using that for adding the geometry. So here the most of the rim area. Now it is going to add. This is for today class. I hope you got this concept. All are clear? You have any pending and things? Okay, if you are clear on this, now I will tell you one point how to create these lines. Are you clear so far? Do you have any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Okay, I am going to create this partition by using dam standard brush. So use drag it line directly. Now it is fine or not? Just please cross check this quality, this size. Okay, now it is fine. Use lazy mouse and a reference. You need to arrange all things in one go. Try to match your design with that. Now it is clear. Take the dam standard brush. I am using mouse only. If you are using any digital pen tablet, it will be more convenient to you. You can buy it once you get some confidence on ZBrush. This is like single stroke. Did you understand? I did not stop anywhere. I have to start here and up to end. I should not leave any. I should not break the line. Now see. So some area I did not meet my reference. So then you need to move it. This is a good approachment. Now it is fine. I will tell you one new point here. Did you see this stroke how it is? Did you see this stroke how it is? In the starting it's a very narrow and very light applied there, and gradually it is expanding, and in a y-axis and a g-axis as well. Gradually it is reduced and it's tilted. When it is reduced the height and width, so it's how it is started, it's going to end. This is like leaf cutting. This is scribble. This called is a scribble in technically. script script chisel script stand. First you need to understand script stand, then remaining topic you will cover it. So whenever you want use this option, you need to save your file, because your file will be close itself without our consent, because it has many times GBrush will be clash. So please save it before using this. How it is work, so I will show you. So if you drag something here, now see, starting it is a height and height axis and G axis, both are narrow, both are light, and slowly it is going to reduce in a 2-dimension height and depth, then it will be connected slowly. This kind of finishing is required in many time. So damp standard is constantly it is giving the same presentation start to end, but this is a giving the some preserved value, like in the starting it is getting low value and gradually it is increasing, and ending the it will be reduced. So this is a good approachment. So you can drag it and you can reduce the size as well, and click on it, it's going to see. This kind of stroke value enhance your product quality. So whenever you use regular damp standard brush, that not much impact in our design, but when you use this script standard, it's bring your model is one level. So let's use this one. This is nothing but damp brush family. You know that damp standard brush. So damp standard brush, how it is working, if you take damp standard brush, it's also giving the same presentation but the same value. There is a not crispy line, is not crispy, but script is a very crispy value. It's a perfect finishing. So we will use that here and here, and mostly we try to complete head part for today. Remaining part we will complete on tomorrow part. Tomorrow try to focus on tomorrow. So this presentation is a final product, a final approachment. Okay. So after adding these lines, I want to smooth something, I want to erase something, I want to clay. Again we need to do everything. So this adding this chisel lines or damp standard lines are the final stage works, like final approachment, not in a mid-level. After completing all approachment, all designs, then only we need to add these lines. Okay, this is one condition here. So I am going to create eyebrows. You can drag it first, apply. Okay, while you are dragging, you might get some zigzags, so add some lazy radius as well. Reduce the draw size value. Now see, click on it. why it is happened? Because of quality. So I need to add some quality. So 500 is not enough, I am going to add 800. Update the geometry. Now try to add same line here. See now. So you want to reduce it, just reduce the value, click on it. I think this is fine. See now, I created 2 lines. If you want reduce more, now it is fine. You want more, see you can customize your stroke until it is live. See, it is live, editable. Whatever you draw na, you can editable. Only depth value only. Shape will not work. Even it is working, but it's not that much prompt. I am not recommend that. So after drag something, your size might be changed according to your convenience. So I am going to give 4% and click on it. Showing something in a graphic card issue. Now it is fine. See now, I created one seam here. I want to create one more line here. So before applying, try to see these things. See, is it fine or not? You can check it before confirm. Seven is much enough basically. For carving, 7 is good. Now for this, it's a depend on the design line. Now this shape is fine. I want to add another 2 lines here, but depth is not that much, so I need to reduce intensity value as well. So you can manage 2 things here. So I draw first. This is one shape. You need to reduce intensity value and click on it. Now see. These lines are playing major role here. So here, save the file. For every movement, try to save as this file. I am going to save until at least while I am working in this part, your file will be clash. So you at least this data will be saved, so you can recall it, you can open it, and you can continue that. So here, drag here, see the quality, is it fine? Depth, size, everything we need to take care. In the place of 8, 6, now it is fine. solo, try to add similar distance, try to add if it is possible same distance. Now these lines are completed. If you want, you can add more. I thought this is fine. That's the thing I am giving you randomly. I am maintain some more distance, but here it is very closer each other. So you want like that, you can create one between two lines here also, and I am going to save my file. Did you understand why I am doing? So files will be clashed actually. See, ZBrush will be clashed when I use this software, this option. See how it is now. Finally we added all details. So select this task and add some smoothness. Now it is fine. See, add subdivision here also. Now here also looks good. Okay, this is a today class. Today we have to get we had discussed about the script standard brush. This is belongs to damp standard brush family, but it presentation is quite different to that. It is a constantly maintain one same line, but here the line is going to change start to end. That difference is there while we are using. Here this is one drawback while you are using this, your ZBrush file will be clashed, but here it's not clashed any moment, but it happened, it's frequently happened. So okay, in your work you can see that. Okay, this is a today class. We will continue this class on tomorrow. I will try to finalize by tomorrow. After adding ornaments, the file will be looks good. Now we almost reach that part except jewelries and lines. These are the pending. We will see on the tomorrow class. Anything else? Yes, if you have anything, please let me know. Okay, we will meet on tomorrow class. Thank you.